Okay, class, we are still looking at examples of renewable energy, and this time let us look at water energy. You can call it hydroelectric power. This is energy produced from running water. It is energy produced from running water. It is called hydro because it is generated from water. It is extracted from water across rivers. You can ask yourself a question that how do we produce hydroelectric power? How is hydroelectric power produced or generated? Let me first outline some items which must be in presence. We must have a dam, and behind the dam there must be a reservoir, and a dam must have a gate. There must be a turbine. There must be electric generator. Those ones are enough. So let us explain briefly the production process of hydroelectric power. Usually a dam is constructed along the river, and the importance of this dam is to control the flow of the river. Water will be collected behind the dam to form a reservoir, and some other water will be allowed to pass through the gate on a dam. As this water passes through the gate of the dam, it begins flowing on a steep gradient to gain its velocity. Then as it flows on its steep gradient, it falls on a turbine with its blades. The turbine blades will rotate because of the force of water that falls on them from a steep gradient. When the turbines or when the blades of the turbine rotate, they also cause the turning of electric generator, which will finally produce electricity. What I've spoken and explained is summarized on this diagram. This is a reservoir where water collects behind the dam, and the dam has a gate which is here. The gate allows water to pass through a penstock. From the penstock, water hits the turbine. The turbine rotates, or the blades of the turbine rotate. When they rotate, they turn electric generator in the powerhouse, and this generator will produce hydroelectric power, which is supplied to the villages, to the towns, and distributed everywhere through power lines. These are power lines from the house of the generator or from the generator in the powerhouse. Then we have factors that favor the development of hydroelectric power. For hydroelectric power to develop, there must be a number of factors which favor its development, and these factors can be grouped under physical and human. Physical factors: presence of a seismologically sensitive area. The area should not always be affected by seismic waves like earthquakes, which will destroy the dam. Then we have high quantity of water supply, because when there is much water, the blades of the turbine will rotate strongly and much power will be generated. Great altitude with steep slope to enhance water velocity. Definitely you cannot generate power on a flat surface. I mean the gradient of the river where it flows should be steep, so the slope should be steep, not gentle. Existence of rapids and falls also favors the development of power energy by increasing the velocity of the stream. There should be narrow, steep-sided valley. There is what we called river width should be narrow, such that the dam construction becomes easier, quicker, and cheaper. Where to construct a dam, there should be a hard rock for firm foundation. If the rock is soft, the dam will collapse. Existence of enough space for water reservoir. Behind the dam, there must be an extensive space where water collects to form a reservoir. Absence of coal, petroleum, etc. Because if the coal, petroleum and other sources of power and energy are available, hydroelectric power will be outcompeted. I think this is to reduce competition. Then we have economic conditions, factors. These are man or human factors. We have market. There must be market for power. Demand must be high. This one will encourage and motivate the producers. Huge capital to pay for labor and buy materials to use. High levels of technology to construct quality dams, strong dams. Transport facility to transport labor, to transport materials to use, etc. This map may help you to identify some major hydroelectric power schemes or stations or plants in the world. I hope we covered these: the Aswan High Dam, the Kariba Dam, the Inga Dam, the Tennessee Valley Authority Power Station, all over the world, etc. You will be able to identify them on this world map. Thank you.